Creating baby shower printable games with crispy prints. Hi, Kerry here from Dream Creative Beat, and welcome to our channel. We'll show you how to make money online, KDP low content books, and Etsy with new training every week. So be sure to hit the big red subscribe button down below. So yesterday I did a review of crispy prints. I showed you inside the software and inside the training, and where you can get a case study from. You can check that video out at the top right hand corner, or it'll be down in the description. But today what I wanted to do is I actually wanted to do a walkthrough showing you how to create the different printables using two of the front end software parts, and then I'm also going to create an Xmas bundle which I want to put into my store. So I thought I would get on with that and actually film it at the same time. Now if you're interested in getting this, the link will again be down in the description. There is a couple of bonuses that I'm giving you. I'm actually going to use this pink polka dot background that I've created, and I'm also going to use one of my digital Christmas papers as well. That is going to be, and then all the other images I've got. So I'm going to show you, these are the images that I'll be using. Everything's ready there. I got these from Creative Fabrica because as I've got a membership there. Again, there'll be a link down in the description for you to get a $1 trial with that. So go and check that out. So what we need to do is, first and foremost, we actually go into crispy prints. And if you saw from my video yesterday, actually this is where all the videos is. It walks you through, but I'm going to create a baby shower one here. So I'm going to go into the shower bundle. Now I've already done my research for what I want. So I would upload an image here, but the first thing I need to do is actually grab a template and an answer key. Now I've actually got this template already uploaded to Canva, but I'm just going to get it again anyway. So I'm going to grab that. Save image as. Save that there. Okay, so that's saved. And then also I want the answer key. Now this is what you need to give in your bundle. So it comes as a PDF. So I'm just going to download that. And again, I'm going to put it in the exact same folder. Okay, so now I've done that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Canva and I'm going to create a new design. And what I want is that size there. I must have that same size. So go into custom size, and I've already got it there. Make sure that it's PX, so 1065 by 1375. And then what I want to do is I want to go and upload the different things. So I want that back boundary and then that one there. So I'm only going to work on the first ones there. So the first thing I need to do is actually, I want that so it goes all the way across. Then I'm going to put my boundary in as well. Now this I need to actually resize so it fits, and you've probably not actually seen that because it's quite light. So let me just move that, put that opacity down so you can actually see that there. And I need my character in there. So what I do is I'm going to get my character in first so I can actually check. So I'm just going to double click. Well, ended up with 2. And then I'm going to resize it so it fits inside this box here. Now it's a bit big, so it needs to come down a little bit more so it actually fits inside that box there. Yeah. Move it across. Okay. And then what I will also want is I want a white rectangle. So for Canva, just press an R and it gives you a rectangle. And I know this is grey, but I will change it. And it is covering the elephant, but I will move it backwards. So I go there and I'm going to change that to white. I'm going to change my position backwards. And I'm going to remove that out and actually bring my opacity back up to 100%. So that is my image ready. I'm going to download it. I can either do PNG or JPEG. I'll keep that as PNG, and then I'm going to download that. It's downloaded. It won't have gone in the file that I want. I'm just going to right here, and I've left it untitled, so I do need to change that. But anyway, it doesn't matter for the example. So I'm going to go back here. I'll click on upload. And it's my document. There we go. There we go. Upload that. And then it appears there. You can change your text color. Darker. And then I'm going to select everything. There's 14 different games here. And then all I do is click create bundle. So I'm going to pause the video because it takes a while for this to process. So I'm going to click create, and then it tells you about enable pop-ups on your browser. So video is paused. Okay, so that is the baby shower. As you can see, it looks really nice and cute. So what I'm going to do is actually download that. Pink elephant. Okay, that's saved. You can shut that down. And what I want to do is I want to also use some of these as marketing, not necessarily everything. So I might only select a few things. So I'll have word search, what's in your purse. I think I'll take some of these off. Baby innocent line, never. Take them. I'll have those. And then what I'll do is we'll put sample across. Now this is for marketing purposes, so I'm going to click create bundle again. I'll pause the video because this will take some time as well. Okay, so this is what it's done here. It's put sample across all the PDFs that I can then be using as my marketing. So what I would do is I would convert the PDF to JPEG and then put them into Canva and use marketing like that. I'll put different things. So I want sample, and that is saved as well. So that's the first one that we've done. Now what I want to do is I want to do this busy book bundle here. So it's the same process. What I want to do is actually grab the template, because the template is a different size to the one we've already uploaded. So I'm going to save as, and again it already says busy books on there, so I know it's the right one. Because the character thing is if you can see, the character one's a bit smaller. So again, I'm going to, in fact, I don't need to do a new one here because it's the exact same size. So what I can do is I can use the same here, add page. But what I must do is actually add this one, which is the books one. And I also, I'm going to use these two here. Add those in. Again, the papers is what I've created, and that I've got from Creative Fabric again. So this one's actually got a white background, so that actually helps better. Actually see it. And then just make the unicorn. This one a little bit more smaller to fit in. Now, then again, press R. Change it to white. Click on that, and like that. Oh, so I've got to change the position of that to that. Bit smaller. Okay, so now I'm going to download, and I just want to download. So I'm going to go here and just make sure that that's saved in the right place. No. There we go. So I'm just going to move that up there. It's just a case of drag and drop. You can see it's there. Again, you can change the text color and you can select them all again, and there is a lot there for them to do. So I'm just going to click create bundle. Again, I'm going to pause while it does its little job. Okay, so this is the next one, and as you can see, there are all different maths, and then there is the little image that we put inside as well with the unicorn with all the colours. So this is another great printable to keep kids happy and busy over the holidays or lockdowns or anything like that. So I'm just going to download that and keep that. Okay, so one more final example that we're going to do is we're going to use the Xmas bundle. And again, it's wanting the same thing. I think the template's the same, but I want an answer key definitely. So I'm going to click on that and then download that Xmas answer key. And then I'm going to get a background template, might be the same. Yeah, it's the same one. So then we go back to Canva. I'm just going to add a page. So it's that one there that I want to use. So I'm going to upload to images. Just going to use this. Oops. Make that on. Size. Again, I'm going to put the character in first. So I have to make sure that they fit in the box. Not quite. So you can actually see if I just zoom in, you can actually see where I'm trying to get that in. There we go. Then press on. Let's zoom back out so I can actually see what I'm doing. Change it to 1 inch. Go. Change the color of it. Position backward. And then I want to delete that other one off. So download again. I only want page 3. Download that way. Okay. Like here. Upload. Happy with the text color. Select all. Because I want all of the bundle. And then I'm going to create the bundle. And then I'm going to pause the video. So this is the Christmas one. Now this is the one of the upsells. It's upsell 3, and I did mention that in the video I created earlier, which you can check out in the top right hand corner. So this is a great Christmas bundle to be giving, and I am going to be uploading that to my Etsy shop that I created after I got access to Crispy Prints. So I'm just going to download that. I'll keep it. I'm going to put Xmas no. Save. And again, I want to put sample in there. I'm not sure which games I would keep. I'm going to actually click all of them. So again, I'll pause the video. So this is the sample that I can now be using to do all my mock-ups and plans like that, and advertise on Pinterest or anywhere like that. So I'm just going to download that. I'll just keep it as that. So that's already saved. So that is how you actually go and use Crispy Prints. As you can see, it was quite quick and easy. The longest part of that is actually waiting for the PDFs to populate with all the information, but it is nice, simple and easy, and you could soon have quite a few bundles out. I like to say, with the rules of Etsy, you need at least 50 listings before you actually see any movement. It's probably the same with your own website. You know, you need to put things out there for Google and other search engines to crawl and know what it is. So if you're interested in it, the link is down in the description, where it'll explain the different bonuses that I've created for it. And if you want a full walkthrough of what is what's the front end and upsells and everything, check the video out in the top right hand corner, or also in the description. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like video. If you haven't already subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. And while you're here, like I said, go and check out the crispy reviews that I did yesterday.